mid 80s. I had to do a lot of things to it to get it going. Had to put a new ignition system. I swapped it over from the old port system to electronic ignition. New carburetor, fuel lines, new crank seals, new oil pump, clutch, bearing, drum. But this is the OEM original cylinder, piston, rotating assembly. It's all runs. I mean, it cranks and it'll sit here and do this for an hour just idling. It's set up on 404. That's the original bar from 1969. I refinished it, redetailed it. I haven't even cut with it yet, so I'm kind of excited. Let's see what it does. Now that's cool. It ain't the fastest thing in the world, but when you put the blade in the wood, it acts like ain't even no wood there. So I can see why it cuts like it does. They don't turn but like between 6,000 and 7,000 RPM, so they don't have a lot of chain speed, but unreal amount of torque. For a saw that's been dead for 40 years to be brought back in life, I'm tickled about this. All right, have a good one.